In today's video, we are going to explore a powerful TradingView indicator that simplifies your decision-making process by focusing on a single, critical point in the market, the breakout level. If you are tired of getting overwhelmed by complex indicators, this tool is perfect for you due to its simplicity. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it! Hi traders, welcome back here on TradingGate where we discuss profitable trading strategies. Today we're gonna build and backtest a breakout strategy based on a very simple indicator, probably the simplest you have ever seen. In order to load it onto the chart, open the indicator session and type breakout line, and open this one by TradingGate. This is a modified version of this indicator right here. It's a free indicator which you can get access by joining our Discord, link in the description. Once you load it onto the chart, as you can see, we have a yellow line which represents our breakout level. This TradingView indicator draws a line on your chart, representing the previous day's closing level or the previous day's average level. Let me explain a little bit better. If we open the indicator settings, as you can see, we have the breakout time frame. We can select any time frame that we want, and this breakout level will be calculated based on this time frame. We have these settings and the type. We can choose close or average. With these settings, the line represents the previous day's closing level, whereas if we change here 1 hour for example, this represents the previous hour closing level. I'm gonna set 1 day and I will leave close. This is the daily time frame and this is 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the line is here and it represents the closing level of the previous candle. This is the previous day's close level, here is the previous, and so on. Whereas if we change here from close to average, the line changes. This is because now it's calculating the average between the opening level and the closing level, always refer to the previous days. As you can see here we have this line at this level and it's exactly at the middle of the previous candle. Here is the middle of the previous candle, here is the middle again, and so on. This is the difference between these two settings, close and average. For today's strategy, we will only use the close level. Our indicator is optimized to generate buy and sell signals. As you can see, we have blue points and purple points. There are manifold signals, as you can see, but we will try to reduce the majority of them using 2 confirmations. We will talk about it later. The indicator generates a blue point, a buy signal, when the price crosses over the breakout line. Conversely, the indicator generates a sell signal whenever the price crosses under the breakout line. We will use these 2 signals as our main entry signal. Then we're gonna add 2 confirmations. The first will be a trend confirmation based on the optimized exponential moving average with a length of 20, a source close, and we're gonna allow long position only when the price is above our moving average, while we will open short position whenever the price is below the moving average. Now the third rule is a volatility confirmation based on the ADX, the average directional index. We're gonna allow both long and short position whenever the ADX is above the 20 level, this blue line. That's cool guys, we have just defined all the 3 rules of our strategy. Now it's time to convert this trading idea into a real strategy using our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to combine any indicator available on TradingView to generate buy and sell signals. We can backtest, automate strategies, set up alerts, and do all this cool stuff with just 2 clicks. Let's start by configuring our main entry signals. We have already turned on 1 signal for long and 1 signal for short. We just need to select breakout line buy signal. For short side, we're gonna select breakout line sell signal. In the settings, we set price equal, and the main entry signal is configured. Then we add another signal for the trend confirmation. We're gonna select main moving average. For the long side, we want the price that is above our main moving average, while for a short side, we want the price that is below our main moving average. Then we can add the ADX in the oscillator settings, because the average directional index is an oscillator, and we're gonna turn on 1 signal for long, 1 for short, ADX and ADX, and we want it to be above 20 level. That's perfect. Less than 30 seconds, we have just built an entire strategy based on 3 different rules. Let's check how the strategy works onto the chart. Here we have a blue point, the price is above our moving average and the ADX is above 20 level. While here we have purple point, price is below our main moving average and 80x is above 20 level. That's amazing. Now we need to set our exit rules. We need to configure the stop loss and take profit. We're gonna set the stop loss based on the stop loss ATR with a length of 12, multiplier of 3, whereas the take profit we will set a risk reward of 2.3. And that's all, guys. Now that we have set a full strategy, we are ready to jump into backtest results. We're gonna take the backtest results based on these spreadsheets, which you can find in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. Today we're gonna analyze only the first backtest results, the 10,000 Lady USDT based on 1 hour time frame. All these results are without any leverage and based on Bybit exchange. We're gonna use an order size of $10,000 with fixed amount, initial capital $10,000 and 0.06% commission. As you can see, guys, we have a really wonderful equity line, 364% net profit, 100 trades, 41 win rate, 1.68 profit factor, 33 max drawdown and 3.64 average trade. The monthly table is good, we have more winning months compared to the losing ones, so it's pretty good. Max win row 4, max loss row 5, but overall max loss row of 5 is not so high, considering that we have an average risk reward of 2.42, which is quite interesting. Expectancy 0.4, average win 21.8%, average loss 9%, max win trade 85%, so cool, and max loss rate 26%. We are backtesting less than 2 years of charts, and we have a net profit / drawdown of 5.56, which is another interesting value. We can check the buy and hold equity. As you can see, we have always outperformed this metric. This is another great point of this strategy. But the most important thing, in my opinion, is that this strategy is absolutely simple. It's based on a main entry signal, which is probably the most simple that you could ever use. I want to remind you that you can get access to these ready-to-use strategies along with all the premium indicators and all the spreadsheets in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all our premium indicators, including the strategy builders. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and find some value. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys!